It's been a month, to be exact, 41 days since I got my guitar. Why am I saying this? Okay, basically learning guitar is not easy as people may think and see. I have my own reasons to why I'm saying so, but the purpose of this video is to show you how easy it is to learn whatever the thing you've been yearning to learn for a while. It only boils down to passion, working smart, and not forgetting discipline. To be honest, playing your first chord on the guitar feels so nice, but this is not so when you can't play the next day. The pain that comes from pressing the strings to play the chords you want is f***ing much. It's either you choose to continue practicing until your fingers form calluses, or you forget about it completely. And now here's where discipline comes in, and you get to practice a lot besides the things hurting you. My first week was terrible, but I knew to eventually play. I was to keep going till I saw some progress. And when I look back, to be honest, there is some progress. The pain is there still, but it's way much less than it was in the first day. You can achieve anything you set your mind and focus to. Just don't forget about it after being presented with the first hurdle. Take it as a level you need to unlock in a game. And for you to move to the next level, you need to be smart and solve the current challenge. Hope that makes sense, guys. If you enjoyed or got this video valuable, give it a like and share it to your friends. Focus and keep going. See you in another one.